want you to think for a moment about the last five-star hotel or boutique resort you saw, even just in photographs. Not the pool, not the building, the details, the draped fabric moving gently in the breeze, the cluster of warm brass lanterns glowing at dusk, the scent drifting from somewhere you could not quite identify. The feeling of a space that was genuinely thought about before anyone sat down in it. Here is the thing nobody tells you about those spaces. Almost none of those details are expensive to recreate. Not the fabric, not the lanterns, not the carefully placed planting, not even the outdoor shower nook that made you quietly wish you had one at home. Today, on Yard and Beyond, we are borrowing every single one of those details. 10 genuinely beautiful DIY garden projects, each one borrowed directly from the small, considered moments that make luxury spaces feel luxurious. Adapted so you can build them yourself, in your own garden, without a five-star budget anywhere near this project. This is about texture, drapery, warm light, small, deliberate moments that add up to a garden that feels genuinely indulgent, even when every build cost you an afternoon and a modest shopping list. Before we start, I want you to comment below right now with just one word. The single word you would want a guest to use to describe your garden. Calm, elegant, indulgent, sophisticated. Whatever it is, write it down. Because every single build today is designed to get you exactly that word. Welcome back to Yard and Beyond, the channel built on one belief, that luxury was never about how much you spent. It is always about how much care went into what you built. If you are new here, subscribe right now. Because today might genuinely be the most beautiful collection of builds we have ever put together on this channel. Let us build something that feels like an escape. Build 1. The Cabana Canopy Daybed. The four-poster draped fabric look that defines every luxury resort you have ever admired. This build alone could carry the entire video. Construct a simple four-post freestanding timber frame. 4 upright posts connected by a rectangular top frame. No solid roof needed. Drape lightweight outdoor-rated linen or muslin fabric over the top frame and down each corner post, letting it fall loosely rather than pulling it taut. Fill the base with a low daybed platform, thick, generous cushioning, and oversized bolster pillows. The draped fabric is the entire secret to this build's impact. It moves with the breeze. It softens every hard line in the structure, and it instantly reads as resort rather than garden furniture. This is one of the highest impact single builds we have ever featured on this channel. The moment the fabric starts moving in a gentle afternoon breeze, the whole garden changes its character completely. Budget: £150 to £400 depending on frame size and fabric quality. Here is my honest question for you. Would you actually use this, or does it feel like something you would only ever see on holiday? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to know how many of you would actually lie on this in your own garden. Build 2. The Felt Pocket Living Wall. Modular, lush, and genuinely one of the easiest vertical gardens you will ever install. Forget building a frame from scratch. Felt pocket planters, fabric panels with individual sewn pockets, are widely available and inexpensive. Mount them directly onto any wall or fence, and you can create a dense, professional-looking living wall in a single afternoon. Fix the panel to a sunny or partially shaded wall. Fill each pocket with compost, and plant a mix of trailing and upright species. Trailing ivy, soft ferns, and flowering annuals work beautifully together in adjacent pockets. Because each pocket is planted individually, you get instant dense coverage, rather than waiting years for a climber to establish itself. The felt texture disappears within weeks as the planting fills in, leaving what appears to be a solid wall of living green. The exact effect that boutique hotel courtyards spend thousands achieving. Done in an afternoon for a fraction of the cost. Budget: £60 to £180 depending on panel size and plant quantity. Has a living wall been on your garden wish list for a while? Comment wall below. I want to see how many of you have been putting this one off. Build 3. The outdoor rain shower nook. The single feature that transforms a garden into a genuine wellness space. This is the most ambitious build on today's list. And I promise you, it is more achievable than you think. Install a simple outdoor rain shower head connected to an existing outdoor tap via basic hosing and mounted on a slim post or against a wall. Surround it with tall, dense screening planting for complete privacy. Bamboo, tall ornamental grasses, or a simple woven screen. Lay a small section of natural stone or timber decking underfoot for comfortable barefoot use. Add a simple wall-mounted shelf for a bottle of something nice and a folded towel. What you have built is a genuine spa feature. The kind of thing that turns coming inside after a long day in the garden into an actual ritual. The kind of thing that makes hot summer evenings feel entirely different. Budget: 150 to 450 pounds, depending on plumbing complexity and screening materials. Here is the question I need you to answer honestly in the comments. Would you actually shower outside? Or is this purely an aesthetic feature for you? Because the answers to this question are always the most entertaining on this channel. Build 4. The Die Terrazzo Side Table. A design store piece made entirely by hand for a fraction of the price. Terrazzo, that beautiful speckled stone fragment surface you have seen on every design blog for the last few years, is genuinely achievable as a DIY furniture project. And it looks nothing like homemade once it is finished. Mix small stone chips, marble offcuts, or colored glass fragments into a tinted concrete or resin mix. Pour into a simple circular or square mold to form a tabletop. Once cured, sand and polish the surface until the embedded fragments catch the light beautifully. Mount onto simple black steel hairpin legs, widely available and inexpensive from online suppliers. The result is a genuinely striking piece of furniture. The kind that would carry a price tag of several £100s in any design store. Built for a fraction of that cost and entirely unique to whatever fragments you chose to embed. Budget: 40 to 120 pounds depending on table size and material choices. Tell me your dream terrazzo color combination in the comments. I want to see what everyone would embed in theirs. This question always produces the most creative answers on this channel. Build 5. The Citrus Grove Corner. Instant Mediterranean luxury. One matched planter at a time. There is a reason every high-end courtyard photograph you have ever admired seems to feature a cluster of citrus or olive trees in beautifully matching containers. It is one of the fastest ways to signal considered rather than collected over time. Source 3 to 5 matching large planters. Terracotta, pale stone effect, or matte charcoal all work beautifully. Plant each one with a patio-friendly citrus tree or a compact olive, both of which thrive outdoors through summer and simply need moving somewhere frost-free over winter. Arrange them together at a doorway, along a patio edge, or framing a seating area. The repetition and matching containers do all the design work for you. Instant grove, instant grown-up garden, without needing any mature planting already in the ground. Budget: 120 to 350 pounds, depending on tree size and planter quality. Citrus or olive, which would you choose for your grove? And what is your climate like right now? Tell me below, and I will personally tell you which one I would plant for your specific situation. Build 6. The Brass Accent Lighting Trio. The finishing detail that luxury hotels use that almost nobody replicates at home. And here is the beautiful secret behind this build. A 5-pound tin of spray paint can completely change the character of your garden lighting. Source 3 simple lantern-style light fixtures. Genuinely inexpensive versions work perfectly here. Spray paint each one in a warm brass or antique gold metallic finish. Position them at varying heights around your seating area. One on a table, one hung from a wall bracket, one placed low among the planting. Warm brass tones do something that cooler black or white fixtures simply never achieve. They catch candlelight and evening sun with a soft golden glow that reads as genuinely expensive, purely because of the material tone, not the fixture itself. Budget: 25 to 60 pounds for 3 fixtures and spray paint. Comment brass in the comments below if warm metallics are already your garden aesthetic of choice. And if they are not yet, tell me what is stopping you from trying this. Build 7. The small mirror gallery wall. An indoor styling technique brought outside for the first time. Forget one large mirror panel. This build uses a cluster of smaller mirrors arranged gallery style for a completely different and genuinely more sophisticated effect. Source 5 to 8, small to medium mirrors, in varying shapes and simple frames. Round, arched, and rectangular work beautifully together. Arrange them in a considered cluster on a fence or wall section, mixing sizes and shapes exactly the way you would arrange an indoor gallery wall. The effect multiplies light and greenery across multiple fragmented reflections rather than one large one, creating a softer, more artistic sense of depth and space. And it is genuinely easy to hang and arrange on a weekend afternoon. Budget: 50 to 150 pounds depending on mirror quantity and quality. Would you go symmetrical and precise with your arrangement, or scattered and organic? Comment your preference below. There is genuinely no wrong answer, and I want to know which camp this community falls into. Build 8. The built-in fireplace mantel nook. A cozy considered focal point without a full fire feature build. You do not need a sunken fire pit or a full outdoor fireplace to get that warm, gathered around the fire feeling in your garden. This build scales it down beautifully. Position a simple standalone chimenea or fire bowl against a garden wall. Then build a slim floating timber shelf directly above it. Your mantel. Style the shelf with lanterns, a small potted plant, and a scattering of candles. Exactly the way you would style an indoor mantelpiece. That shelf does something purely psychological but genuinely powerful. It turns a simple fire feature into a considered focal point, with a sense of permanence and styling that a freestanding fire bowl alone never quite achieves. The garden suddenly has a room, a center, a place to gather around. Budget: 80 to 220 pounds depending on the fire feature and shelf materials. Comment mantel below if this is the missing piece your current fire feature has needed all along. Because I have a feeling a lot of you have a fire bowl that has been missing exactly this detail. Build 9. The Marble Effect Pebble Tray Table. A tiny meditative project with a genuinely luxurious result. This is the smallest and most affordable build on today's list, and one of the most satisfying to actually make. Take a simple round or square wooden tray or side tabletop. Using a marble effect paint technique, swirling white, gray, and warm gold tone paints together with a feather or fine brush, create a faux marble finish across the full surface. Seal with a clear outdoor varnish once dry. Use it as a drinks tray on an existing outdoor table, or mount it onto simple legs for a genuinely convincing marble look side table. The technique takes a little practice on scrap wood first, but once you have found the movement, the result is remarkably difficult to distinguish from real stone at a glance. Budget: 15 to 40 pounds for paint and a base tray or tabletop. Comment marble below if you would actually attempt this paint technique yourself. And tell me what color combination you would go for. I want actual color names in the comments. Build 10. The Champagne Ledge Planter Bar, where function meets genuine indulgence. And the perfect final build. Build or repurpose a simple low-timber planter box. Then attach a slim shelf ledge along the top front edge, just wide enough to rest a glass comfortably. Plant the box behind the ledge with trailing greenery and a few flowering plants, so the ledge appears to emerge naturally from the planting, rather than looking like something added on afterwards. Position it along a boundary wall or beside your seating area, and suddenly your garden has a considered functional detail that guests will genuinely comment on every single time. The exact kind of small, indulgent touch that separates a nice garden from a space that makes people quietly think. You could open a boutique hotel here. Budget: £60 to £180 depending on planter size and shelf materials. Of everything we have covered today, is this the detail that finally finishes your garden? Tell me honestly in the comments, because I think this one surprises people with how much it changes the feel of a space. Conclusion. Let me give you the complete list one final time so you have everything clearly. 1. The cabana canopy daybed. 2. The felt pocket living wall. 3. The outdoor rain shower nook. 4. The DIY terrazzo side table. 5. The citrus grove corner. 6. The brass accent lighting trio. 7. The small mirror gallery wall. 8. The built-in fireplace mantel nook. 9. The marble effect pebble tray table. 10. The champagne ledge planter bar. 10 builds. Every single one borrowed from the small considered details that make luxury spaces genuinely feel luxurious. Texture, drapery, warm metallics, matched repetition, and genuine indulgence. Built by hand in your own garden. Remember that word you commented at the very start of this video? The one you would want a guest to use to describe your garden? Go back to your comment right now and tell me which one of today's 10 builds gets you closest to that word. Tell me your number, 1 through 10. Tell me your budget. Tell me your climate. Tell me what you are working with. Because I read every single comment on this channel, and I reply to as many as I possibly can. If today's video genuinely changed how you think about what luxury actually costs in a garden, please hit the thumbs up. It is the fastest way to get this in front of someone who is convinced that this look is completely out of their reach. Subscribe to Yard and Beyond if you have not already. Every single week, we prove exactly the same point in a completely different way. Luxury was never about the size of your budget. It was always about the size of your intention. Until next time, get outside, build something beautiful, and always remember, your garden does not need a 5-star budget. It just needs 5-star attention to detail. See you in the next one.